Jesse, with tax legislation rolling through Congress that includes potentially some new breaks for 529 plans, figured it might be good for us in South Carolina to review the rules for South Carolina's plan.
Yeah. I think South Carolina is listed as one of the top 3 states for deductions using this vehicle.
If you look at tax brackets, it's actually the highest.
Okay.
But in terms of what you can deduct, if you're a South Carolina resident using the South Carolina's plan, you can put a maximum of $575,000 per child into it, and take that 6.5-7% state tax deduction for the money put into it.
Not bad. And obviously, we've discussed previously that some dollars can roll into a Roth, right? It wouldn't be $575,000,
right?
But some dollars can, and then additionally, a 529 never expires, so you can just keep changing the beneficiary to a grandchild or whatever. So if there's a business sale or an inheritance, and you never imagined that you'd have the opportunity to pay for school, this could actually help your taxes and make a big benefit into the future.
Also, in a 529 plan, there's a 5-year forward gift for parents or for grandparents if they want to put money away. So the way that works is 5-year forward gift is per child per spouse,
right?
So, or per grandchild per spouse. So, I mean, effectively, grandparents could put $95,000 in per grandchild into the plan.
And all in 1 year, the 19 times 5, 19 gift tax exemption right now would allow them. You're not meant to put any more in beyond that, but
you can, but you've got to file a gift tax return if you do that, which just means it counts towards your unified credit for. Anyway, that's getting too in the weeds. But suffice it to say that. Now, it's really important that you got to know where grandparents live. If grandparents live in South Carolina, they could take that whole deduction in the year in which they did that on a 5-year forward gift. But you'd have to know how that works if they lived in, say, New York, for example. So anyway, the punchline is talk with us if you'd like to know more about the rules surrounding 529, using it as a planning vehicle for the future.